Oh, sorry about that, kid.
I'm not a kid. Ben's my name, mister.
I'm not a mister. Danny's my name, Ben.
What, you stupid girl?
Ben, you're stupid. You ruined my egg.
You laid the egg.
It's an emu egg. I don't lay eggs.
An emu egg? Where from?
Can't you read?
Dot Zoo? But you said your name was Ben, not Dot.
I'm Ben. This is Dot. She's my sister.
You own a zoo?
It's really a kind of, hospital.
Are you coming with me, mister?
Danny, not mister.
Dozy face.
What about me? What about me?
This is a bunny I got for Christmas.
No, you mean for Easter. An Easter bunny.
No, for Christmas.
Oh, a Christmas bunny. What are you getting for Christmas, Dot?
I don't want anything.
She does.
Oh, come on, you can tell me.
I want to find a little lost Joey.
A lost Joey? A baby kangaroo? How do you know he's lost?
Because when I was lost, his mother told me.
You were lost. Joey was lost. I'm lost.
You don't understand.
Oh, go on, Dot. Show him your diary.
This is me finding grass for my rabbits. And then suddenly I was lost. I was so frightened.
Try a bite of this.
For me? To eat?
You poor little thing. You must be starving.
Oh, you can talk.
Of course I can talk. All animals can talk. It's just that nobody listens to us.
I always used to listen. I listened to the animals and birds, but I could never understand them.
You can now, if you keep eating these roots. We call it the food of understanding.
Who's that with the kangaroo?
Oh, I've never seen one like that before.
I knew what was the matter with you at once. I feel just the same myself. I've been miserable just like you, ever since I lost my baby Joey. Now, you must have lost something too. Tell me what it is.
I just can't find my home.
Isn't that just like a human?
Could I please have some water? I'm very thirsty.
The nearest water hole is a long way off. Just step into my pouch and I'll hop you down to the water hole in no time.
It's lovely in here. Thank you.
And I feel as if I had my baby again. Well, we're off.
Some people ride camels and some prefer mules, while others ride turtles and don't they look fools. But I curl up inside, just enjoying the view as I ride in the pouch of a red kangaroo.
As she rides in the pouch of a red kangaroo.
We fly through the air and bounce over the ground with a hippity-hoppity, thumpity sound. The best fun in the world, and I tell you it's true, is to ride in the pouch of a red kangaroo.
Is to ride in the pouch of a red kangaroo.
Hippity-hoppity,
Boppity-thump,
when you come as you know. Hippity-hoppity,
boppity-bop.
that's the way we go. travel by train. You can walk if you like and get soaked in the rain. But the best way to travel, the smart thing to do, is to ride in the pouch of a red kangaroo.
Is to ride in the pouch of a red kangaroo.
Hoppity, hoppity,
Hoppity thump,
when you come with us, you'll know. Hoppity, hoppity,
bumpity bump.
that's the way we go. La, 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 la. We jump through the bush and bounce up to the sky. And if you're too frightened, you'd better not try. But just stand aside and shout hullabaloo. There goes Dot in the pouch of a red kangaroo.
Dot in the pouch,
Dot in the pouch,
Dot in the pouch of a red
kangaroo.
Here we are, the Council of the Animals. They're going to help you find your lost way. They're very clever. They always know what to do when there's trouble in the bush. Well, here she is. This is Dot. You've probably all heard about her by now. She's trying to find her way and she needs your help.
But she's human. What have humans ever done for us?
That's true. If she's lost, it's her own fault. Animals don't get lost.
Of course they do. You all know my child, don't you? My Joey? Where is he? He's lost. Some humans came to hunt in the bush. They chased me, and I hid Joey in some bushes to keep him safe. Then I led the hunters away, and when I returned, my Joey was gone.
How terrible for her.
Fancy not knowing.
I've searched for days. I can't find him. So you see, my child is lost too.
Poor kangaroo.
She's so brave.
Oh, so that's the mother kangaroo in your story.
No, that's Dozy Face.
So that's the mother kangaroo.
No, that's Grumblebones. You don't understand. The mother kangaroo went back to the bush. I've never seen her again.
Now I understand why you want to find the lost Joey.
One hunter said they were catching some animals for a zoo in Japan.
Japan? Japan is so far away.
Japan, Japan.
We will find that Joey, even if we do have to go to Japan.
Oh, how?
Easy. I'll show you. You can do anything with a little bit of ingenuity.
Ingenuity?
Right.
How did Christopher Columbus cross the deep blue sea? With an early start and a lot of heart and ingenuity. You can do most anything with a rubber band and a piece of string. How do you do it? Fiddly-dee with ingenuity. Hooly-dooly, hey whack-a-mole, ingenuity. Henry Ford and Carly Benz got some gas and some odds and ends. They tinkered and tankered and ooh-la-la, they built themselves a motor car. And what do you know? They made it go. How the heck does an architect get through university with a lot of brass and a touch of class and ingenuity? You can set the world on fire with chewing gum and a yard of wire. How do you do it? Fiddly-dee with ingenuity. Hooly-dooly, hey whack-a-mole, ingenuity. Well, the right had a hunch, I heard, to fly in the sky like a great big bird. He and his brother made a flying machine and wheeled her out on the village green. And what do you know? They made it go. What makes walking on the moon as easy as ABC? A silicon chip and a 3-day trip and ingenuity. You can do most anything with a rubber band and a piece of string. How do you do it? Fiddly-dee with ingenuity. Hooly-dooly, hey whack-a-mole, ingenuity. Danny the Swagman one fine day decided to make a Santa sleigh with a garden seat and a nail and a rope and a barrel of faith and a bundle of hope. And what do you know? He made it go. What makes the shuttle fly in its trajectory? Some nuts and bolts and shooters and jolts and ingenuity. You can set the world on fire with chewing gum and a yard of wire. How do you do it? Ready, with ingenuity. Holy doly, hey whack-a-mole, ingenuity. I-N-G-E-N-U-I-T-Y. That's holy doly, hey whack-a-mole, ingenuity. Oh, Dot.
Oh!
How about a quick turn around Ayers Rock?
Oh, yes, please.
A quick turn round Ayers Rock, he says. He doesn't have to pull this thing.
Oh, Grumblebones, don't you ever stop grumbling.
Kangaroos pulling sleighs. It's ridiculous.
It's so big.
It's only an old bit of rock.
Come on, Sydney next stop, then up the coast.
Sydney? But I'm dying of thirst already.
Oh, all right. We'll stop when we come to water. There's a billabong up ahead somewhere, but we can't stay long.
Ribbit.
Ah, that's better.
Lovely.
This water's not cold enough.
Is it wet enough for you?
I love this place.
Ribbit, she loves it.
Oh,
Ribbit, why don't you stay with us then?
yes, I'd love to.
Ribbit, come on in. You'll be happy in the water.
Oh, what a good idea.
Right, come on then.
Hope it's not far. I've been sleeping all morning and it's made me so tired.
Dozy face, you can't be tired already.
Oh, sorry, Dot. I'll have a little nap later.
All this for a Joey. They're nothing but trouble anyway.
You were a Joey yourself once, remember?
I was not.
This must be a special kind of magic. Magic for a very special day. I'm flying, but I don't know how. If only they could see me now, riding in a magic Santa sleigh. Blue sky, flying in the blue sky, flying in the blue sky. It's foolish, but it seems I'm flying in my dreams, flying in the blue sky. The world is full of many kinds of people. I know they laugh and cry the same as me. Who cares about a name? Deep down, we're all the same. It's really just as simple as can be. Small place, the world is such a small place. One race, we all belong to one race. Even such a small place.
Haven't been to Sydney for years. Sorry I can't show you round. There's just no time.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Beautiful. Dust, noise, smoke, cars. Just think, I could be back in Coolabah now.
Yes, complaining about not being in Sydney.
Gah.
Oh, no. Just a few thousand miles.
Oh, that's nothing. Just a few thousand miles, he says.
Where are we?
Over Queensland.
Do you know how to get to Japan?
Oh, yes. It's easy.
Easy for you.
No, honestly. Dot, look up there. See?
I can't see a thing, except that plane.
That's right.
Oh, good. We're going by plane.
Oh, no, we're not Grumble Bones. We'll follow the plane. It's going straight to Japan right now.
Mom, look! Flying kangaroos! Look, flying kangaroos!
Stupid boy, I'll give you flying kangaroos.
Here it comes. Hang on. New Guinea volcano.
I've never seen a volcano before. Can we go closer?
Closer? We're too close already.
Please?
Oh, all right. Just a bit. We'll go round it. Come on. We're nearly out of it.
Oh, yes. This smoke, it's making me...
No, Grumble Bones, don't.
Are we all drowned?
Don't be silly.
I didn't know Japan was this small.
Oh, this isn't Japan. It's just an island. Oops.
What's so funny about... Oh. It's cured my sneezes. Just hope the whole island doesn't sink.
Oh, not again.
It's not me.
Bless you.
That's better. Every time that volcano erupts, I sneeze. I hope I didn't frighten you.
Eh? Oh. No, we were having a whale of a time.
I don't often have visitors. Won't you stay and talk for a while?
Sorry, we just can't. We've got to get to Japan.
Japan? I'm going that way. I'll give you a ride.
Thanks, Whale.
Just time for 40 winks.
Sorry, I'll have to leave you now. They're hunting whales round here. It's too dangerous for me. Will you be all right?
Oh, yes, fine. Thank you. Come on, Dozy Face. We're off. Oh, Japan! Bye! Thanks! Bye! Take care!
Goodbye!
Mount Fujiyama! Japan! Can't land here. We'll try further out.
Oh, it's so pretty. Oh!
First prize for the best kite.
Kites?
A kite? Oh, I knew it was a kite all along. I just thought I'd entertain you for a while.
Oh, Grumblebones, you old liar! You are just as scared as me.
Looks like we're in trouble.
A most original design. 2 kangaroos and 2 people. Congratulations.
Hey, we're real. We're not kites. I don't understand.
It's really quite simple. A very long time ago, our town used to be protected by 5 flying dragons. But they got so old that they had to retire. But we never forget those dragons because once a year we have a ceremony, the Dragon Kite Festival, which we are celebrating today.
Flying dragons? How silly.
As silly as flying kangaroos.
That's different. The dragon story is just a joke.
Pardon me, but it's true.
Prove it.
That easy. Ask Mr. Nakamura. He tell you he know everything. You will find him there in a lake.
Mr. Nakamura! Mr. Nakamura! Oh. Kites and dragons and festivals? Oh dear, everything's all mixed up.
I know how you feel. I think we'd better find this Mr. Nakamura. Mr. Nakamura!
Nakamura is my name. I am a Japanese goldfish, 104 years old, and I am connected to royalty.
Oh, I'm Dot, and that's Dosyface there. And this is Grumblebones. He's a bit bad-tempered, so he's not going to say hello.
So, Doto-san, Dozy-san, Grumble-san. And you, sir? Please observe my markings. You will notice that they closely resemble your own colors. I therefore assume that you are an important person like myself.
Yes, he is an important person. He's Father Christmas. He's like a father to all the children in the world, especially at Christmas time.
Not quite, Doto-san. We do not celebrate Christmas as you do, but we have other festivals. I believe you came from Australia to visit our kite-flying festival.
Oh, not really. We came looking for Joey, the little kangaroo. Do you know where he is? The man said you were very clever.
Oh, that's true. I am very clever. It's because I am a fish, you understand?
No.
We fish, swim wherever we want to, from country to country. We observe everyone without being seen. That's why we know everything.
If you know everything, you must know where Joey is.
I know.
Where is he?
I know that he is not in Japan.
But they said he was in a circus or a zoo. They said he was taken to Japan.
Exactly. To Japan, on his way to Russia. Lots of ships travel from Australia to Japan and then to Russia. If I were you, I'd look in the Moscow circus. It's the biggest in the world.
Anyway, that's what the Russians say. Oh, hey, Grumblebones, Dosyface. To Russia with love!
Bye! Oh, look! Snow in summer.
It's not summer here, Dot. You see, when it's summer in Australia, it's winter in the other half of the world. The seasons depend upon the position of the sun. The 4 seasons.
To the circus, it's the finest in the land. Come along, see the big parade. There's lots of lovely music, come and listen to the band. It's the greatest circus in the world, from Rome to Samarkand. Come and watch the daring acrobats dancing on the wire. See the lions and tigers leaping through a wall of fire. There's no performers anywhere else half as good as these. Come along and see the big parade. Are you going to this circus? It's the finest in the land. Come along, see the big parade. There's elephants and camels and a great big grizzly bear. There's chimpanzees and monkeys turning circles in the air. There's no performers anywhere else half as good as these. Come along and see the big parade. Come along and see the big parade. Hey!
Hello?
Oh! Hello, elephant.
You sound like Joey. You must be Australian too.
Joey, where is he?
I'll tell you what happened. Joey teamed up with Boris the bear, and they became really good friends. Everyone loved their act, and they were very popular. One day...
I can't stand it here anymore. I've got to get away. Joey, will you come with me?
Yes, Boris, I'll come.
Who else is coming with us? We'll take anyone who wants to come along.
But, Boris, how can I? My home is in Africa. Just look at me. How can I go all the way to Africa without people seeing me?
Row, row. I want to come, but I can't. I'm too scared.
It's impossible for me.
Row.
We'll never make it. And when they catch us, it'll be worse than before.
Elephant, wouldn't you like to go home?
Me? Go all the way back to India? Sorry, Joey. It's hopeless. You just can't hide an elephant in a suitcase.
Won't you come with us, Zebra?
Oh, I'm not a zebra. I'm a white pony. I've been behind bars for so long that I've got stripes on my back.
Why would they put a white pony behind bars?
Roar! Because he's not a zebra! Arr, arr.
Oh.
Arr, we want to go with you, Joey, but it's like a jail here. There's guards everywhere. Arr.
Far behind the colored lights, the glitter and the show is the real world of the circus that no one wants to know. In the backwoods of the circus ground, sawdust ring are cages with their iron bars where frightened monkeys cling. A circus is a prison. It even looks the same. A circus is a prison, but it has another name. The leopards walking up and down, the elephants in chains. Imagine what it feels like to be hit with whips and canes. But when the circus walk is done and the animals return, sparkling in their yellow eyes, the flames of freedom burn. A circus is a prison. It even looks the same. A circus is a prison, but it has another name. The only part of circus life that makes it seem worthwhile is to see the people laughing and the little children smile. The world is like a circus that we can go and see. The let's make our circus world a place where everyone is free.
All right. If you want to stay in prison, stay. But Joey and me are getting out tonight, straight after the show.
So later, right in the middle of their act, and this was the clever part of the plan, they ran away to Siberia.
Siberia?
Yes. Who'd think of looking for them in Siberia?
Right. Siberia it is.
It's getting cold. We must be nearly in Siberia. My nose is frozen.
Oh, lovely sleeping weather. Oh, I've never seen snow before.
You're seeing it now.
Oh, lovely. But it is cold, isn't it?
Oh, yes. If we don't find somewhere dry and warm soon.
Look, there.
Where?
There. No, there. Smoke, I think.
Where there's smoke, there's fire. I hope. It's open. Anyone home? Hello? Ooh, come on in. We'll freeze if we stay out here.
Huh. Just what I needed. That's better.
I'm so tired. I'll just have a little lie down. Oh, that's very hard. A bit soft, I think. Just right.
Oh, a dozy face. I don't know if it's such a good idea to sleep in someone else's...
Oh, porridge. I'm so hungry. Oh, too hot. Eek, too cold.
Oh, Dot, I don't think you'd better eat any of...
Yummy, yummy. Oh, sorry, I didn't hear you.
Oh, it doesn't matter. There's plenty left.
Right, keep 'em up, left, right, up, Christmas tree, halt, standard east, attention. Aha, visitors, welcome to Siberia.
Hello.
Shut up, Ivan. I am Commissar Natasha Katya Ostrovsky-Kuznetsov. Comrade Ivan Fyodor Skavinsky Vasilievich Jevskenko and Comrade Vladimir Yakov Grigorovich Gabriev Samovar Tchaikovsky.
This is Santa and Grumblebones and Dozy Face. I'm Dot.
Dot? What a funny name.
Shut up, Vladimir. Dot, you may call us Natasha, Ivan, and Vladimir. We are all equal around here.
Natasha, if you are all equal, how come you do nothing and they do all the work?
That's because I am more equal than they are. That's why they carry the Christmas tree.
I didn't know you had Christmas trees in Siberia.
No Christmas trees in Siberia? Dot, Christmas trees began in Siberia. The tradition started long ago in the good old... bad old days in the time of the Tsar.
Come on, get a move on. Get your backs into it. Hey, boy! What do you think you are doing?
Nothing, sir. Just some wood for the fire. It's so cold and...
Stealing firewood. That's the property of the Tsar. It's worth 25 lashes for that. Come here.
No! Oh! No!
25 lashes.
No!
Wait! Stop it! Stop that noise, soldier. It's upsetting the horses.
It's this brat, sir. Stealing firewood, sir.
Hey, firewood? That little tree? Let him have the tree. Boy, you can have the tree. And you, you can have a tree. A soldier, you can have a tree too. The horses can have a tree. Everyone can have a tree. Compliments of the Tsar. Keep yourselves warm for Christmas.
How it happened. The tree was too small to burn, and it was so beautiful that the little boy asked his father to let him keep it and decorate it. It made them happy on that Christmas Eve long ago. And that's the story of the first Christmas tree in the world. But I'm sure you didn't come all the way to Siberia just to hear about Christmas trees?
No, we were looking for a lost baby kangaroo.
Baby kangaroo in Siberia? Oh, Dot, you don't know Siberia. Kangaroo fur is all right for Australia, but this is the sort of coat you need in this climate. They probably escaped to a warmer country, probably south in Europe somewhere.
Europe?
Italy or England. Maybe France or Germany.
Germany? Germany, yes. We'll try Germany. To Germany!
Listen.
Over there, I think. There. It's Silent Night. Oh, they're singing it in German. Oh, beautiful!
Thank you, Santa Claus. Kangaroos! I don't believe it. You can't pull a sleigh.
I just did.
But you're not a reindeer.
And you're not a giraffe. So what?
What I'm trying to say is that reindeer do a better job than kangaroos when it comes to pulling sleighs. We do what we can do, and you ought to do what you can do. Understand, Kangaroo? Roosters crow best, glowworms glow best, songbirds sing best, springboks spring best, doves coo best, cows moo best. And you ought to do what you can do best. Fishes swim best, seagulls skim best, dogs scratch best, chickens hatch best, elephants sway best, puppies play best, and reindeer pull old Santa's sleigh best. Bears dance best, ponies prance best, crocodiles grin best, spiders spin best, dingoes growl best, wolves howl best. And it's easy to see that orangutans scowl best. Kangaroos hop best, frogs go flop best, peacocks walk best, cockadoos squawk best, owls blink best, camels drink best. And you ought to know what you can do best. So don't be a teacher if you're better as a preacher. And don't be a sailor if you're cut out for a tailor. And don't take less if you're meant for president. 'Cause you ought to do what you ought to do what you ought to sort of do what you can do best.
I'm sorry. I'm wrong and you're right. Take it. It's all yours.
Hooray!
No more pulling that heavy sleigh all over Australia in that heat.
Yes, it is very hot. You knew that, didn't you? Christmas comes in the middle of summer in Australia.
What? Oh, yes. Of course I knew that.
And the flies, when they sting you, ouch!
And the dust storms.
Oh, and I forgot. The distances. You know, it's more than 2,000 miles just to get from one side of Australia to the other. You can take it right now. We'll catch the next Lufthansa flight home.
Look, I'm sorry. What I really meant was we'll pull the sleigh here in the northern hemisphere, but down there in the southern hemisphere, the sleighs have to be pulled by the kangaroos. It's only natural. What I really meant was to say...
All right.
May I know what you are doing here?
We're looking for Joey, a little kangaroo.
Oh, yes, Joey. We know all about Joey. Always hopping and hopping. There's nothing funny about that.
And there's nothing wrong with hopping. Some of my best friends hop around all the time.
Yes, but that wasn't the worst thing about Joey. In the middle of a Christmas carol, he started to sing Waltzing Matilda, Waltzing Matilda. It was the only song he knew. So, of course, I sent him to England. They wouldn't notice a thing like that over there.
Well, at least we know where to go.
Grumble Bones, Dozy Face, come on.
To England. We'll just go down to Switzerland, then across Italy and France.
Is that the quickest way?
No, but there's a wind behind us, and the view's fantastic.
The best view is the one from my backyard at Coolabah.
Grumble Bones, stop it.
Oh, what are they?
The Alps, my dear. Ah, yes. I think we're over. Yes, we are. France.
Goodness me. I must be tired. I'm hearing voices coming out of the air.
Well, I'm not tired and I can hear them too. Up ahead somewhere. Now I've seen everything. A singing cloud.
It's words. It must be Merry Christmas in French. And this must be Merry Christmas in German.
Swallows.
It tickles.
I don't think it's so funny. Aren't 2 passengers enough? Now we've got 50 million.
Oh, Grumblebone, stop complaining. I think they're beautiful. And do we think you are beautiful, mademoiselle? Thank you, Swallow. Do you know the way to England? England is just across the channel. Hello!
That's better.
Come on, Grumblebones. Bye-bye. Bye.
Alouette, gentille alouette, alouette, je te plumerai.
See? England.
Oh, good. Joey must be there. I hope he's there.
You hope he's there.
I hear bells.
Oh, it's Big Ben. We're in London.
Who cares about stupid old bells? Green grass for lunch. And you can sleep in the sun there behind that statue.
Oh, excuse me.
Down we go. Whoa! That's Buckingham Palace.
The Queen's house. Grumblebones, you are naughty. Oh, how can we find Joey with so many people?
We'll have to split up. I'll go this way. You go that way.
Oh, all right.
What?
Just a moment, please, sir. Might I ask you how you came to be in the vicinity of Buckingham Palace?
Oh, yes. I just landed a few minutes ago.
You landed a few minutes ago, did you, sir? And where exactly is your flying apparatus or aerial vehicle?
Eh? Oh, there.
Yes. An unregistered vehicle, and you realize, sir, it is situated in a no-parking zone.
But...
Your name, please, sir?
Danny. No, Santa Claus. Oh, no.
If you will accompany me to the station, sir, there are one or two questions you might care to answer.
Grumblebones, Dozy Face? Danny? It's so easy to be lonely in a crowd. Even if you cry aloud, there may be lots of people near you, they just don't seem to hear you. It's so easy to be lonely in a crowd. When I hear the pitter-patter of the rain, see it trickle down the window pane. When I see the winter, it makes me want to cry. When I hear the pitter-patter of the rain. Now, isn't it a pity that even in the city, it's hard to find someone who'll be your friend? You'd think with all the people there, so many people everywhere, you'd find another person in the end. It's so easy to be lonely by yourself, like a rag doll on a dusty shelf, beside the silent telephone. You sit there on your own. It's so easy to be lonely by yourself. And later on, tomorrow, I'll throw away my sorrow, and you and I can sing and dance all day. I know I'll be so happy then, my feet won't tippy-tappy then. But promise me, please, that you will stay. It's so easy to be lonely in a crowd, even
just don't seem to hear you. It's so easy to be lonely in a crowd. You're alive! You're crying!
Nonsense. British lions do not cry.
I thought lions came from Africa.
Eh? Oh. Well, yes, but we did have British passports, you know.
Oh.
And if you haven't got a train set, I want a cowboy suit and a fireman's helmet.
Oh, that's no trouble at all. But you must be a good boy from now till Christmas.
I will. You see, we British lions are all in Her Majesty's service. One of my friends had a job as a statue outside the Houses of Parliament. One day he ate the tea lady by mistake. It was the end of his career, poor chap. Sent him to the zoo. I visit him on weekends.
Oh, is there a Joey there?
Oh, yes. Young Joey was at the zoo, but he's gone now.
Gone?
Some Americans took him to New York. They were crazy about him. If you'll excuse the American expression. They exchanged him for a second-hand bald eagle. Try New York, my dear.
If he says Joey's in America, Joey's in America. Crumble Bones, Dozy Face, to America! Look, there it is, the Big Apple.
What Big Apple?
New York. They call it the Big Apple.
Oh.
That's the silliest thing I ever heard. Doesn't even look like an apple. May as well call it the Big Banana.
Oh, be quiet, you old sourpuss.
Oh, the buildings are so big and so many.
There must be some place to land.
Just here on top of a building.
The United Nations building? Oh, that's a bit cheeky, isn't it?
No, it's not. Australia's in the United Nations, isn't it? Isn't it supposed to be one big family?
The biggest family in the world.
Don't they know everything here? Won't they know where Joey is?
I hope so.
We won't be long.
Take as long as you like.
Basement, please!
Did you say something?
Basement, please! Are you going to keep the most important mouse in the world waiting all day?
A mouse?
What did you expect? A hippopotamus, maybe? Or a boa constrictor?
Oh, no. I was just surprised to see a...
Thanks! Hallelujah! This is a day of surprises for everyone! You meet the most important mouse in the world, and I meet someone who thinks he's Santa Claus.
He is Santa Claus.
Yeah, and I'm Napoleon Bonaparte.
That's silly. He was a man. You're just a mouse.
Just a mouse? Madam, you're speaking to Walter Q. Mouse. Call me Walt. I control the destiny of the entire world, solving all the problems and sorting out the troubles. Look, the presidents of the United States come and go, but mice are here forever. Hi, Kiss.
Hello, Walt. Keep up the good work, son.
Will do. Nice fella, Kiss. Not always successful, but a nice fella. Yep, you've no doubt heard of a certain mouse, the famous star of stage and screen. Well, I Walter Q. Mouse, call me Walt, belonged to the same family as you-know-who.
Oh?
See the resemblance?
I love to walk around New York, wandering through Fifth Avenue or Central Park before it's dark. I love to walk around New York. I got a date at the Empire State. We'll maybe go to a Broadway show and then drop in to the Algonquin. I got a date at the Empire State. See the neon sky, hear the traffic lullaby, feel October winds tugging at my sleeve, the rattle of the trains, those cool, cool summer rains. New York, New York, I'll never ever leave. That's because I love to walk around New York. She's got such style, she makes you smile. She's got pizzazz and all that jazz. I love to walk around New York. Now here's a tip, go take a trip to good old New York, New York.
Now, what's your trouble?
We're looking for Joey.
Okay, I know them all. There's Joey Smith in the World Health Organization. There's Joey Cappuccino in the Security Council. And there's young Joey Dillinger in the International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. Which Joey do you want?
Oh, no. This is Joey, a little kangaroo.
Hey, this is the United Nations, not Central Park Zoo. Yeah, in Zambia. Yeah. Okay, eat up the letter immediately. A bit of trouble. It's okay now. We've got agents in all the offices in the building. A whole army of mice. If any country makes a wrong decision, we hide things, make arguments, nibble through the telephone lines, you know, chew up letters, that kind of thing. We get it straightened out pretty quick. But believe me, it's not easy keeping peace in the world.
Oh, but how do you know when to chew and when not to chew?
We know everything.
If you know everything, why don't you tell us where Joey is?
Stay there. Don't move. Walter Q. Mouse will not fail you.
Kangaroos are marsupials. They live in grassland and open forests. The males are called boomers. The females are called flyers. The babies are called joeys. There are 163 million kangaroos in Australia.
There you are. If you want a joey, go to Australia. Uh-oh. Conference time. Be seeing you.
No, wait.
Wait. Oh, he did try to help.
I know, but we'll never find Joey now.
It's a shame. Going right round the world and then...
I can hear something. Listen.
Yes.
Is it? Joey, Joey.
I want my mummy.
Oh, yes, I know.
It's all right, Joey. We're here now.
Oh, we're home.
He'd love to stay, but he can't. There's so many other little animals. Animals in trouble. Animals in pain. Lost. Animals who need protection. Animals who need protection. So don't be sad, Dot. He'll come back. You'll see. He'll come back. One day. One day.
Don't worry, Joey. I'll take you back. I'll take you back to your mother.